welcome to my YouTube channel, Dance with Ann Leslie. Today I am going to do the tutorial for Blowin Smoke EZ. This is a 32 count two-wall dance, choreographed by Crooks, and it is an easy dance. The artist is Teddy Schwims. The introduction is 8 counts. So I'll turn around so you can follow my boots. We're going to start with the right foot free. Step it to the right side, tap the left in, step the left to the left side, tap the right in, and do a grapevine to the right. Step right, behind left, step side, and tap. That's the first 8 counts. Second 8 counts, we repeat it to the left. The left leg goes side, tap the right in, right side, tap the left in, and grapevine to the left, step, behind, step, tap. So one more time, a little faster. We go. Right leg. Step, tap, grapevine to the right. And step, tap, grapevine to the left. Counts for that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next set of 8 counts. You're going to take the right foot forward on the diagonal. Step the left foot slightly behind it and across, and then step forward again on that right and scuff the left. Repeat to the other side, left foot diagonal, right foot behind and across, left foot forward and a scuff. Those are called lock steps. So we have right, left behind and step right and scuff. Left step right behind and step and a scuff. Counts for that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do all 8 counts together. We're almost home. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done. Moving on, we're going to do a rocking chair. If you haven't done a rocking chair before, I'm going to go sideways so you can see. You step forward with one foot, in this case it's the right. You replace the left where it was, and then you rock back on that right, lifting the left and then replacing it. You can't just go forward and back. You have to step, lift and step, step back, lift and step. So you get the whole 4 counts in. So we are still facing 12 o'clock. Step forward on the right, replace the left, step back on the right, replace the left. Going on, step forward, keep the feet where they are, but pivot on the balls of the feet 180 degrees, so you're now facing the 6 o'clock. And then we are going to do 2 walks, right, left. And that's the end of the dance. So here we have, one more time, we are going to do the rocking chair, which is rock, recover, step, pivot, walk, walk. And counts for that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The whole dance, that's why it's called Blowin Smoke EZ. I like the easy ones, don't you? All right, I'm going to go from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, tap, step, behind, step, tap, behind, step, tap. Forward and a scuff, forward, behind, step, scuff, rocking chair, a step, pivot, walk, walk. As the whole thing with counts, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2-wall dance. Let's do it facing 6 o'clock. We have step right, tap left, left and tap, grapevine to your right. Step left tap and right tap and grapevine to your left. rock, step forward, diagonal behind, step, scuff, rocking chair forward, recover, back, recover, step, pivot, and walk, walk. Last time, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bravo. All right, so I have posted the demo to this dance at Dance with Leslie. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you soon with another dance. Bye.